mounting bolts holding this upper shroud on. This one's broken on ours, but they're all 10mm socket or wrench. And you're just gonna pop it out and lift it up. So best thing to do is leave the belt on so that you can loosen up the fan clutch. And I'm going to use a pneumatic fed clutch tool. And then I like to just spin it off my hand. Then I'll take the belts off. And just be careful on the last thread. There we go. Now to install the new fan clutch, we need to take the old fan off of the old fan clutch. 13mm socket. And you might need to take a hammer and just give it a tap. We're going to take the old fan clutch, set it aside, put the new one down, keeping the fan in the direction it was in. And you want to line up the bolt holes. And it came with new hardware, so let's get the hardware ready. Get the hardware all set up. There we go. So it comes with 4 bolts and 4 lock washers. So you're going to put the lock washers on first. Start everything by hand. Okay. And then 13mm socket. You just want to snug them up. There is no torque specs. I think the key to this whole installation is to make sure the fan is facing the proper way, because if not, you're actually going to, instead of blowing air onto the engine, you'll actually suck the air away from the engine. So that's the way in the angle of the fins. Easy way, keep it at one level, lift it up, and put it down on the new one. So now you just line it up with the threads, and it's going to go to the right. I like to bottom it out, and then I'll use the pneumatic fan clutch tool and snug it up. Now with your pneumatic fan clutch tool, we're going to line this up, and we're going to tighten it up. Make sure it's tight before you even attempt this. There we go. Cert belt has to be on for the best result. Then you get your air tool and give it a good snug hit. You can put the shroud fan top part back together. So you just guide it down, and it'll fit right on those slots. And then you have your little studs that come out. There's 3 of them total. And then 1 down on the side here. 10mm wrench or socket. Just snug them up.